afternoon. Welcome to the next episode of The Leadership Factor. My name is Ralph Stephen and I'm in Moncton, New Brunswick, and my guest today is Ashley Cook. So welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah. So Ashley, you're, as we just talked about before the interview started, you're brand new in the business. After having been in the business for about a year now?
Yeah, I'm a year and a half in.
A year and a half in. So, but you've done great up to this point. You've had a lot of success and it's been great to see you succeed in the business.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. So can you share with us a little bit about some of the challenges that you might have faced?
A lot of challenges were that when I started,
yeah.
I didn't even want to tell anyone I was a realtor because I didn't know anything. So
Right.
I had done really well on my exam, and then I thought, oh my goodness, what if they ask me a question I don't know the answer to?
Right.
So I took a slightly different approach than other people, and I actually took about 6 months to tag along with anyone who would take me, listen to every phone call that people would let me listen to, and ask all the questions in the world to all the different agents that are known for different strengths. And that's kind of how I overcame the insecurity of letting people know that I was in the industry.
So if anybody was brand new looking to get into the business, what advice could you offer these folks?
I would tell them to go the whole way. Don't do it part-time, you'll be devastated. Go all in and make it part of your life, don't make it a job. Because the moment you try to make it a job and schedule around it, the one day that you plan to do something will be the one day you get a phone call and you need to go when the phone rings when you're new.
Right.
So that would be something I would say, and that you have to really genuinely love it, because if you're getting in for the short term, it might pay off a little, but it really won't pay off in the long run.
So what would your favorite thing be about the business?
My favorite thing is actually going out hunting for houses. I really enjoy going to different houses, seeing what different clients want, focusing on it, and like making it fun, because anyone can walk around a house, but to get to know what their furniture is like, where it has to fit, what's important to them, what isn't. I really like having a little bit of the puzzle to figure out and help them figure it out.
So what did you do before you got into the real estate business?
I owned a landscaping company, and then I taught for 2 years, and I didn't enjoy it, and I had to decide what I wanted to do, and I'd always been interested in real estate, so I went in that direction, and so far I feel like it is a perfect fit, which is nice because not everyone finds that.
So you're relatively young, and I think that there's probably people tuning into this this channel that might be young as well. What can you share with them that might inspire them to think about a career in real estate?
It has a lot of potential to be exciting, fun, you can make a good living at it, and it can be all those things. You just have to be in it for good. You know, you have to be determined to make it, because there's going to be a lot of hiccups in the beginning, and there's going to be a lot of things to overcome,
Right.
and a lot to learn.
Right.
But I think if you're interested, you should give it a go.
So what's your favorite thing about working with Royal LePage Atlantic?
My manager, Shirley, is by far one of my favorite things. I think she's the best. When I considered real estate, I came and spoke to her, and she was the only person I had to speak to get involved. And I think that we're a good team. I think there's a million personalities. Everyone's an individual. We can't all win. I'm happy for anyone who does. But I find we're quite a supportive group compared to what I've heard in other companies.
Thanks, Ashley. Appreciate it. I enjoyed
No
our time.
problem. Yeah, me too.
Thank you.